Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Y. Pranav Sir. I study in class 3C, roll number 47 in Kendra Vidyalaya number 2 SVL. Today I am going to show my TLM exhibition. This is my TLM exhibition. Now I am going to explain one by one. This is my TLM exhibition. TLM means teaching learning material. These are the paper crafts. This is save earth art. To save earth, we must save animals, do not cut trees, do not litter, save water, ride a cycle, stop pollution, recycle and grow plants. Next one is plant life cycle. For plant life cycle, we need soil, seeds, water and sunlight. After few days, a seed will begin to sprout. After few days, it will become into a plant. Next one is save water and save earth art. If we do not save water, after some years, our earth will become like this. So save water, save earth. This is vegetable print. I use some vegetables to make this print. This is lion and mouse storytelling using puppets. I have prepared lion and mouse puppets to explain this story. This is rupees and paisa chart. These are original coins and notes collected from my parents and my grandparents. This is 1 paisa, 1 by 4th anna, 2 annas, 5 pice, 10 pice, 20 pice, 25 pice, 50 pice, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. This is 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. These all are original coins and notes. This is simple paper weaving learned from EVS subject. Next one is the lion and the camel face mask. I have prepared this mask from the story The Ship of the Desert in English subject. Next one is ships, prepared from Max subject. This is thumb painting art and finger painting art. This is butterfly puppet and fish puppet. Next one is Lord Ganesha idol prepared with clay. Next one is clay modeling. I have prepared flower, sun, rainbow, ice cream and grapes using clay. Next one is pencil shaving art. I have prepared flower, girl, fish, butterfly and peacock with pencil shaving dust. This is 5 senses chart. The 5 senses are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We hear with our ears. We taste with our tongue. We touch with our hand skin. This is my TLM exhibition. I hope you all enjoyed my TLM exhibition. Thank you for watching.